Welcome to the new series of the PLC programming. In this series, we are going to learn how we can program the Omron PLCs in the Sysmac Studio. So let's start our first session in this series. First of all, we will open the Sysmac Studio and create a new project. Next, we will go to the category and select our controller. Next, we will select our device. For today's session, we are using NX1P2 CPU. Next, we will go to the controller menu, communication setup. Next, we will click on this network browser, direct Ethernet connection and browse. Next, you can see that we have a PLC detected at 192.168.250.1 IP address. Next, we will select Ethernet connection via hub and we have to enter the IP address. As you can see that in the result, a communication error has been occurred. Next, we have to add the IP address. So we'll go to the network settings, Ethernet, adapter options. Right click here, go to properties, Internet Protocol version 4 settings, go to its properties and advanced, add 192.168.250 and 235. Add, okay. Try once more. As you can see that now the test is okay. And we have established a connection between PLC and our Sysmac Studio software. I'll click OK. And next we will go to the I/O map. Our CPU has some built-in I/O, so we'll expand this menu and we can see that we have around 14 inputs and 10 outputs. For today's session, we will use only one output and we can name it as Y0. It will create a global variable with the name Y0 and it will be linked directly or mapped directly to the output bit 0. Next, we will go to the program and here we will add an input contact and output contact. For the input contact, we will create a bit here like test bit 0 and it is asking whether it is internal variable or global variable. For today's session, we will make it only an internal variable. And for the output coil, we will assign it Y0, which is our output. Next, we will go online by clicking here. As you can see that there is some difference in the offline and online program. So that's why it is showing there in the yellow color. So we will go here to the controller, transfer and transfer to controller. Execute and it will start comparing both offline and online program and in the end it will transfer the program. So our program is downloaded and let's trigger this input bit and make it true. As you can see that our output is energized and if we try to turn off this test bit, the output goes off. So that's the short introduction and just a walk through this software how we can quickly establish connection between our CPU and the Sysmac Studio and how we can make a. In the coming sessions, we are going to learn the other parts of the PLC logic as well. So that's the end of the today's session. Till next time, take care.